Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we want to analyze the gold markets for entire this week. We want to give you some ideas and opinion for your trade. So please watch the video till then. As you guys can see right now, I'm in a weekly time frame, and I want to tell you the best level of price that you guys can go for the long trade, because as you guys can see, we have this impulsive leg to the upside, and you guys know that right now the gold market is bullish. So the first level of price that you guys can go for the long trade is this 50% of the gap in the weekly time frame. And actually you can see that price was really close to my second target in the weekly time frame. So it doesn't matter right now, but let's go in the daily time frame, because we have lots of idea in the lower time frames, especially in the 4 hour time frame and in the 1 hour time frame. So please watch those two time frames. So as you guys can see in the daily time frame, we have some kind of liquidity here in this demon zone here. So I really like to see that price just start to come down to tap into this demon zone, or this one here. It doesn't matter really. And you guys can go for the line trade from one of these demon zones. I don't feel like that price just want to come down to fill the 50% of this gap, because it would be really too much. But yeah, you can go for the line trade into one of these demon zones, and you guys need to see the entry points to go for the line trade. For example, in the 1 minute time frame, I need to see some kind of series of higher high created prices respecting to the demon zones in the 1 minute time frame, and after that, for example, I will put my order here in the demon zone that I have. Set my stop loss here, and after that, you can see that price again can tap into that demon zone, because we have this order flow, and it can take my order and start to going to take my TP. So you need to see something like this in the 1 minute time frame if you wanted to go for the line trade here in one of these demon zones. But let's go in the 4 hour time frame. So sorry, as you guys can see, we are in a bullish trend in the 4 hour time frame. So what just happened if we break this low here? So first of all, you need to see that price just come down and close under this shadow here. So in that case, we have the change of character. We don't say that we have the break of structure, because we need to see that again, price come up, create a substructure, come down, break the low here again. So in that case, we say that we have the break of structure, and we can say we are in the bearish trend now. But if price just break the low here, so we need to see the new lower low created. So the new lower low would be into one of these dimensions. So it might be here, or it might be here. So you have a chance to go for the line trade once into this dimension and once into this one. So after that, the first thing that we have is that probably we will see the first idea that we have for the change of character is that price play between this range, or price can go to the upside to break the high here again, and break the structure and again confirm that we are in an uptrend, or price can come to this level of price, create the substructure, give us the new lower high, and start to come down to break this low here again, give us the new low again, something like this, and we can go for the short trade in all the highs that we can see. So we have this idea for the 4 hour time frame. But if you see that price just start to going up from this demon zone, you guys have a chance to go for the short trade in this order block, but this one is really too risky. So if you just wanted to go for the short trade, you can set your order here, your stop loss might be here, and you guys need to take this TP, it's enough, because it's really too risky. Actually, for this one, you guys need to go in the lower time frame. For example, you can go for the 5 minute time frame. You will see some kind of supply zone here, okay, and it might be good to go for the short trade in that time frame, and your stop loss would be much lower, and you can take better TP. And actually, you need to be careful about your entry point too. So this is the idea that we have for the 4 hour time frame. And let's go in the 1 hour time frame. So again, you can see this structure for the 1 hour time frame. This demon zone actually is 2, sorry. So in the 1 hour time frame, I really like to see some kind of structure, uh, because I just had this demon zone price just respecting to this one. I hope that this demon zone push the price up for me. I really like to see that price reach into this order block here. I want to go for the short trade here. For example, set my stop loss here and take a good TP. As I tell you, this TP would be enough for me. This TP would be enough for me. And, I want to see that this order block push the price down through price reach into this demon zone here, because as you guys can see, we have this equal low liquidity here. We have equal low liquidity here. Again, we have equal low liquidity here and a little bit gap that left here. So I'd like to see that price just come down from this order block and tap into this demon zone, and I go for the line trade once here again. So I can open my line trade something like this, or I can wait to see that price just reach into this demon zone here. I go for the I go in the 1 hour time frame, sorry, 1 minute time frame, and see something like this, and set my order here, set my stop loss here, and yeah, boom, take my TP. So again, we have this idea for the 1 hour time frame. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great trading week.